how to make real estate listing website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a website special for real estate listing with your favorite platform, which is going to be Wix. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. Once you are on the platform, you need to sign in or sign up for an account. As you can see, we have here the access to the lists of the websites or the site's dashboard. So once you are here, you're going to see the list of the websites that you have. In case that you are going to be a new member on Wix, you're going to get this page. So obviously I have clicked on the create new site, and this is the first page that you're going to receive, or this is the page that will face you if you have or if you are a first time comer to Wix and you have already created an account. So you are going to get here two choices. Either you are going to try the Wix Studio to create your website, and this is a very professional way to do that, or you can go ahead and create on the standard Wix editor. Also, the Wix editor is very effective on creating websites. So you are going to get all the elements necessary for further steps. I'm going to select create on Wix editor. Once you have clicked on that, you're going to get here a platform that will help you to create here the content of your website with the help of the AI integrated within Wix. You can go ahead and click on Start Chat. Then you're going to set up some information, some, let's say here, prompt to check up here the website state of yours. For example, you are going to explain the idea of your website, the topic of your website, or the type of it. In my case, I will go ahead and set up without the chat. So right now, we are going to set up the type of the website that we are going to make. Since we are going to be setting up into the manual mode, we're going to here search for real estate. So as you can see here, we have multiple pages or multiple choices. Here we have real estate landing page, development company, agency, agent, developer, consulting agency, and etc. So I am going to set up here real estate agency. So we are going to set up here or list the real estate or the apartments or any type of assets into the website. So we're going to click on continue. Once you have did that, you're going to give it a name. So we are going to here type in Jack real estate. And for the description right there, you're going to set up here a founded agency since, for example, 2024 or 23 that has all, for example, all of the great deals, for example, like that. I'm going to click on continue. Once you have did that, you're going to head over the step number 3. Here we have the number of the steps. We have 4 additional steps. So we are going to set up the goal of the website. Here, get booked online, sell products, for example, showcase creative work. Memberships and plans are not going to be here in our website. So show menu items and create and share content. And here we have it. I think that these 5 elements will be sufficient. Here it depends on your needing of your website. If you need more, you can go ahead and have multiple ideas aside from my ideas right there and select more or get over here and set up other. So I'm going to click on continue. Now, what else you need to manage your business? For example, you can go ahead and select host virtual session, for example, for virtual meetings. Synchronize your personal calendar. We need that. Advertise on Google. Yes, we do need that for marketing purposes. Send email marketing campaigns. Yes, for our clients. run your site on mobile. Yes, we need that. Create a link in bio page. I don't want to do that. Send automated emails and SMS reminders. So this is a yes or and no here feature. So I will not go for it. So I can do it later. So I'm going to click on finish. Now it is going to be here preparing our website, installing the app, creating the personalized setting, also the um, Wix dashboard of that specific website. So here, as you can see, we have the Wix dashboard of Jack Real Estate. So we are going to get a banner to try Wix Studio. I'm not going to do that since we are going to work only with the Wix standard editor. We're going to wait for the dashboard to load up and we can see the different steps that we can follow up to finish the setting up of the website. So here we have the dashboard ready. We're going to see at the left side of the screen the control panel or the full control of your website. You can here visit the home page and visit the different elements from the menu, like here the settings, the automations, the marketing, and also everything from the apps, the catalog, the booking services, and etc. So here, before accessing all of these items, we're going to click on Design Site because this is the most important part that is going to be regulating and also personalizing the appearances of your website. Now, how would you like to design your website? We have two options, or we can have three. So we can customize a template or pick up a template and customize it, or you can go ahead and get a generated design with AI that is going to be here just applied in just few seconds. And also we have the continue with the setup for now. So you are going to ignore the setup of the template. So you are going to either create a blank template or go ahead and select here between the ideas. So I'm going to commence or begin with the customization of the template. If you click on generate a design, you're going to have a text box or a chat box that will help you to send a prompt to the AI of Wix, and then it will be responding by generating the items like descriptions, images, menus, and only one page. Right there, I'm going to click on pick a template. So Wix has a very rich template library in the database. So it is going to be here the website template that is going to be based on your research or your keyword that you have given at the beginning. So you can go ahead and see the categories right there. Here we have the categories of the templates, or we can search only by keywords. So here we have the sorted by recommended to these keywords. So we can see here that we have lots and lots of websites. We have 3 pages, I think, or more. And we can choose from these websites templates and make it ours. I think that I see this one, which is a real estate firm, and this one, not this one, but here, this landing page are going to be here set up for listing the website. Here you need to pay attention to the two beginning or the two first templates. Those are going to be the best matches for your keywords. In my case, I will go ahead with this one because it contains the price, also the property or their details. So we are going to click on edit. You can view, of course, the template before editing it, but I'm very satisfied with the result or the template itself. So after we have clicked on edit, it will show up right there the Wix editor, adding the necessary items that we have listed or chosen, like the features that we have chosen from the previous steps. For example, here we have the Wix bookings, we have the portfolio, we have a lot. So we have also the checkout and orders for the appointments or some products if you are going to right there set up these uh, let's say content or the listings. So you're going to have the option also to enhance your AI content right there by setting up more details about your website, the type of it, and the name of it is going to be like that. You can generate the site text from here, or you can go ahead and ignore it. At first, they will show you, or the Wix guide will show you right there, the element or the different items on the left side of the bar right there. We have the add-in elements, as you can see here, menu item. We have the add section, and we have the control or the management of the pages and menus, the site designs, and the possibility to here add some apps from the app market, running your business from here, add in some media, and here we have the CMS, which is going to be the collection of the data. So we are going to ignore that, and here we have the final version of that website. So as you can see, we have from the beginning the listings. I'm going to click on one of the elements right there, and normally we are going to get a zoom in. So this menu, I'm going to drag and drop it here. So I like it here better. And the card icon is going to be like that. Boom. Now, for the right there, as you can see, the background, we have a villa, I think. You can go ahead and manage these item or this cover and set up your own. As you can see, everything is already set, so you need only to set up the content. For example, this is the title of the villa. Luxury villa, minutes from the bay. So you can go ahead and set here the paragraph. Here we have the price. So this is the price. And here we have, for example, the description of it. You can go ahead and set up the description for it. So this button is linked to a right there a page. So we can go ahead and click on the link right there, select it. So which page it is going to be here to the sales pages. So we are going to exit that, and we are going to visit the different pages that are being added. So we have the homepage, the sales, the rentals, agents, the contact, anchor, and the book online. So I'm going to head over the sales and see the next page. As you can see, Wix have gave us the a complete version of a website that will set for us the listing of real estate. So the listing already and everything. So where is the villa? So you are going to see here the properties for sale. You can go ahead and arrange a viewing, and this viewing is going to be linked with an agent. So these are going to be here a proportional progression links. So you are going to select from the homepage the villa, for example, or the property or the real estate. You're going to visit it by clicking on the read more to this specific area. You can go ahead and see the specifics of the home. For example, this one is costing 500,000. You're going to get 5 bedrooms and a lot of here description. Make sure that you're going to set up the description. Now you can go ahead and click on arrange and a enter viewing or a viewing right there, and you're going to get here the page of the agent. So with that, you're going to set up or class your agents. So you are going to put the agents' names, the sales, the phone numbers of them, also their work email or their business email. Right there. Yeah, they are going to get the calls from the customers and learn about the real estate items or the buildings that you have mentioned. Now, back to the rentals, you're going to see that we have the sales and we have the rentals. If you're going to list here a rental property, you're going to see it right there. So how you can go ahead and manage that? So it is very easy. As you can see, we have a Wix Pro Gallery set up. So if you want to set up a menu right there on item, so you're going to select here the Wix Pro Gallery, click on Manage Media, and then we're going to get the menu to change or regulate the image. So as you can see, this is the image that has been chosen for this one. Now, You can go ahead and do the same for you. For example, right there, we're duplicating right there this item. So we are going to click on duplicate and you're going to see it right there. So this is the duplicate of the image. You can go ahead and add more space. For example, I'm going to leave it right there. I'm going to make the section a little bit bigger. So you are going to get here a duplicate of this specific area. I'm going to make it right there. So make sure that you are going to arrange everything like this. And then I'm going simply to select here the container box and also the text, for example. And like that, I'm going to select here each one individually. So I'm going to press Control and click on D. So it will duplicate right there, as you can see, the price or the box. So I'm going to attach it to the box and we are going to take it right there to this specific area. You can go ahead and do that also with the titles. Control D and also go ahead and do it right there. Boom. Don't forget to make the space for the other listing that you're going to have. Now, let's talk about the booking online option. So right there, you're going to visit the pages and menus and click on book online. Right there, we have a calendar or we will have a booking option that is going to be here from Wix Bookings. You're going to put here a service, the cost of that service, and how we can put it or take an appointment for that. So you can go ahead and set up, for example, this one. It is going to be right there managing the services. So you are going to click on manage service and then the bookings are going to take you to the dashboard. From the catalog, we have the booking service that we have mentioned before. So you can go ahead and create any type of service or add a new service. And this service could be here an appointment, buyer consultation, open house, listing photo, property consultation, and whatever. Or you can go ahead and create one from scratch and also customize it how many times as you want. For example, you're going to select a buyer consultation. You're going to see the service. Here we have the image. If you want to customize the image of yours, you are going to click on edit the image and then you are going to replace it. You have here the name or the title, tagline, description, the duration. And also, you can go ahead and assign some staff members. So as you can see here, you need to precise the location of it. And here we have it. For the price of it, you can go ahead and put a price, for example, of $150. You are going to see here the payment preferences. You can go ahead and set up the entire amount online, in person, or online or in person. So we are going to set it online because here we're going to set up the payment methods from the settings. We're going to head over to settings. Then we are going to click on accept payments. And then we're going to add our payment method. So I'm going to change here the country because here, how many times you are going to change the country, it is going to show up other, for example, uh, payment providers. So friends, choose. It will let you see here that we have Stripe, PayPal, manual payment, and we have Square and etc. So set up here is the payment methods of yours. And this is how we can list our right there real estate items. So you're going to head over here from this template, head over the pages. The first page, I'm going to click on home. You're going to head over the home, create right there the banner of your right there real estate or piece of asset. Then you're going simply to put a button. You're going to click on here and then you're going to click on add button, add a button right there, and then you're going to link it to that page. Make sure that you are going to set it for sales and they will see that property, of course, added to the sales. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.